Hey. What's your freaking name? Yo. Day 2. About 7 minutes from being on day 3 of my dry fast. Just got out of the shower. It was my first time taking a shower. Man, just detoxing while I take a shower. Well, because I've been in the forest beforehand, and forest I guess is a lot cleaner in the city, but it's like when you come back, it's like, so my hair is wet too, so it's like, so that's how I didn't think I was gonna have energy to do my hair, but I did one box braid. I'm probably gonna part my hair and get some haircuts. It's kind of interesting, kind of like crazy with this stuff like right here. Sometimes you feel tired, but then like you still can do stuff. Yeah, that sounds cool, bro. Wetting my hair up again. Put some water. It feels real soft. I like it. No food, no water. I had to do dishes, so that's why my hands did get wet from having to do dishes. My mind got more organized. I noticed that I just waking up. I think I did that on like day 1. Mine just got more organized. I saw the filth, had to get rid of it. It's to the point where I even started scraping like the bottom, the burnt parts off of the pots, that really is just there. And people just leave it there. I'm talking about on the outside and on the bottom. That's what I was scraping. When I did my vision board, it felt so much powerful, yo. Felt so much powerful. Let me see. What's up? Apparently the water hit the phone screen and then hit the pause. It's whatever. Hair's a lot more wet now. Probably too wet. Who knows? I'll work with it. I'm not even tripping. I don't know how I'm gonna part this. It's kind of more challenging to part it when you're doing it yourself. Or will I even part this? Think about just going around with it and just getting it done. Because I won't think about, just do boxes. Let me see. Hold my clip at. Probably make more sense if I do it that way. Oh, goodness. So I get for like, because I already detangled my hair. But when I detangled it, I had to put some oil and stuff in it. So it's kind of like gonzo, you know what I'm saying? Freaking gonzo, man. Freaking gonzo. There you go. The box right there, whatever. Maybe should I get the combs again to try to like detangle? I don't know. Find out. Been on this stuff right here. Been dry fasting. Wondering about going longer. Who knows? Yeah, I've been fighting distractions and cravings. Some may even allude that to the same thing. Mine is detoxing in spite of things that's been through. My mind is not tired. It's like frick. It's like, because the body is like rather fatigued, because that's, it's a positive thing, because it's like breaking things down. You know what I'm saying? Think about clamping this and detangle that, yeah. Makes sense. Wooden combs, best invention, best investment I've ever made, ever again. Gotta say that. So I got sandalwood. Yeah, best things ever. That's why ancestors use wooden combs. You look at nature. Well, some scientists that actually dig, and have found a wooden comb, a wooden Afro pig. And who has an Afro? There you go. More evidence of the original inhabitants of America. Is us Americans. The definition of American, 1828 First Webster Dictionary, pertaining to a native of America applied to the copper-colored races here found by Europeans. Source 1820. I should say, yeah. Webster's First Dictionary. Whew. Those who know, who have thick hair, you guys know the difference is like of what do you call it? Having thick hair and combing with a plastic comb, something like that. You guys see how well I did, even still after effect with a wooden comb. Big difference, y'all. Yeah. But if you guys want a consultation, you guys want to start a business, got the links for that in the description box. If you have a business you want to further enhance it, gotta get with it. Get your one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as long as our American meaning shirts, and as well as our original caps. You dig? I only got an original Ford socks inspired by the greatest DJ in the world, DJ Gambler. Go check them out. We got other apparel stuff as well on there. Awesome content for y'all. Awesome stuff. Yeah. Consultation. If I didn't say, you could just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Coming up for the next video.